welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel, just at click.com, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting variant out here, a variant which is really amazing. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than Lenovo's Yoga 910 out there. Talking about Yoga series, we can say that Yoga series was fabulous out here by Lenovo. Whether it's about its design, its sleekiness, its internal functions, about its any kind of specification, they are really good out there. They have evolved as an gadget out there over a period of time. They have definitely evolved. Talking about this Lenovo series, we can say that it offers you real silent and brilliant features. Yes, if we talk about the premium design offering in it, it is definitely good. Whereas it is also having a good, we can say, resolution out there, resolution or high HD touchscreen out there, that is also amazing out there. That is in 4K also. The thin and beautiful engineered, like this has a very sleeky design. Firstly, very sleeky design out here, and the sleeky design also has all the internal components which were very heavy out there, and they have reduced the weight and the size, design, everything in a very compact way. So that is definitely great. Like this variant 910 is approximately 4.3 mm out there. Yes, this is about 4.3 mm about that. Whereas it weighs approximately 1.3 to 1.4, approximately like 1.38 kgs. So weight is reducing every now and then. So that is definitely a great functionality. And we would also like to add that it is always ready to use. Like if you want to have not just a laptop in your hand, you want a tablet, so it can be converted into a tablet. It is not detachable, but it is a 360-degree functional phone, so it can be rotated at. A secured and a fast performance could be seen out on this variant. You get to see a fast performance with a stereo speakers, a great operating system inbuilt in it. So these kind of things are also seen in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a processor of 7th generation. A 7th generation processor is being used, which offers you a speed of 2.7 gigahertz and i7 out there. Like Intel Core i7 is being used of 7th generation processor. This could be seen out here. If we talk about the Windows, then Windows 10 Home Edition of 64 bytes is being used in this variant. So this is really amazing version out. Talking about the graphical parts, because if it is a laptop, then the graphics plays a very important role, because webcam has to be introduced, and if the webcam is there, then audio video quality has to be done. So webcam is also good, offering you a good webcam. Along with that, if we talk about the graphical part, it has got Intel HD Graphics 620 out there. Overall, we can say that the graphical part is quite good, because offering you this kind of graphics along with 720 pixelization with dual array microphone, this is really good variant out there. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about this version, then we can say that it offers you 16 GB storage capacity, that is the RAM storage, in the form of DDR4. Yes, this time we get to see DDR4 16 GB storage capacity RAM variant with the speed or the memory speed, rated speed, spindle speed, whatever speed you would like to mention. That is the RAM speed out here is 2133 megahertz. So this is the speed out offered. Along with that, it might be customized according to the variants, depending upon the company. As well as talking about the storage, it is if we talk about the internal hard drive storage, it is in the form of SSD along with 512 GB. Yes, this time the storage is 512 GB out there, so it can be seen out in this variant. If we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got 2 into JBL stereo type speakers along with Dolby Vision Premium. So this could be seen now, like Dolby Vision Premium is there, a good JBL stereo type speakers is there, great battery life, great display. If we talk about the battery life, then we can say that it offers you 10 to 10 and a half hours work timing. Yes, it offers you 10 to 10 and a half hours work timing with Ultra HD work. What is this Ultra HD work? This is the display resolution out here. Talking about the display resolution, it offers you ultra HD display with IPS multi-touch technology with integrated camera inbuilt in it. Along with that, yes, you get to have 14 in screen size, and approximately, if we talk about specified, then 13.9 in screen size by the company itself. It has got really a good weight out there, that is 1.38 kgs out there, that is approximately 1.4. With backlight is the keyboard. Actually, the keyboard is very light out there. With the specified functions, like it has got a hinge because it is a 360-degree and a yoga version. Three side nano display out there, unibody metallic design, and fingerprint sensations out there. So these kind of things would be seen. Along with good connectivity, Bluetooth out there, everything could be seen out in this variant. Amazing connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB connectors, SD card readers, video input output jacks, everything could be seen out in this variation. Offering you great connectivity, great functionality. So pricing also plays an important role. And talking about the pricing, let us visit this site that offers you great pricing for this variant. The site name is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. This site offers you a variety of gadgets, n number of gadgets, n number of specifications, and number of brands out here in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, this offers you pocket friendly rates out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this gadget, then we can search this gadget in the search icon in a very limited manner. Like we have to just type about the gadget out here. Amazing part of this website is that they allow you customization. What this customization means out here is that you can customize your gadgets. Yes, you can customize your gadgets like depending upon the RAM quality, the Windows type, RAM storage type, processing, like these can be customized. Talking about this variant, right now we are checking out on the screen, has got a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom also. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a condition written in the mid, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition here itself so that we know what does refurbished means. Talking about the refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, they are quite similar. As well as when we talk about refurbished word itself, then we can say that refurbished word means creating something newly like again. So this is what all refurbished means. And when we say about refurbished or brand new, then the structurality, functionalities, as well as the tests are actually same out here. You will not find any difference out there in the structural, that is the design out here. As well as talking about these variants, then we can say that internal functions are actually same. They are quite same. Like whatever the company has stated, they are actually providing you the same things. The major difference lies out in the ownership out there. Yes, the ownership has a difference in the role play out here. Talking about the ownership, brand new gadgets are actually untouched. They are from the company itself, direct release from the company. Whereas refurbished products are the ones pre-owned gadgets. These are called the pre-owned gadgets out here. So talking about these gadgets, let us see the pathway which involves how this is pre-owned. Talking about the pathway, that follows a common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the pathway followed out. And we can say that refurbished pathway is the extension of brand new. We can say that. Talking about the brand new pathway, we can say brand new involves the base, which is the company from where the product is being released in the market out here. So this is called as base. Marketplace is nothing else but the, you can say, bridge out here between the user and the consumer. Yes, this could be said out as this way. Yes, the marketplace is this, whereas the bridge is between company and user, because this has to be somewhere where we can collect and company can sell out. After that, it comes to the user. Yes, now the product is with the user out here. Now user has the power, the product in hand. So this is what refurb brand new is all about. This dominates the product out here. Now the gadget is pre-owned. The gadget, the brand or the model, everything is with the user. Now this user becomes the base for refurbished products because that is pre-owned gadget out here. That product is with the person itself and wants to resell off. Yes, want to resell. Then it is brought back to the marketplace. It is brought back to the mediators. It is brought back in the sites out here which it can be resold. Yes, or we can resell it. It can be resold out there. Everything could be done. मतलब उस प्रोडक्ट को हम दोबारा से मार्केट में लेकर आते हैं. Now it is brought in the market and is being resold to the new user under the category of refurbished. Yes, this is a new category called refurbished, and this is what refurbished is all about. Now, another difference lies out here is the testing parameter, testing, we can say timing. Now, what happens is a company before bringing into the marketplace tests it. Yes, it is being tested out here. The product is being verified. Everything is being done. Now, what happens is uh, in refurbished products, the product is being tested in the website or the marketplace itself before reselling it. Yes, before it is brought for reselling, it is to be tested in the marketplace. So this is the major difference out here. Now talking about the tests out there, then we can say that there are the same tests which are involved in brand new, whether it is external or internal parameters involving. Like the external involves the display out here, the camera, the buttons out there, the touchpad, the connectors out there, the scratches, everything has to be seen. The display type out there, recording out there, everything has to be checked. मतलब externally जो हम check कर सकते हैं without the use of any equipment or any specified gadget, it has to be checked. Once it is checked out, then it is brought back to the internal parameters. Yes, now external is cleared out. It is given a certificate for external parameters. It is brought to the internal parameters, which are checked out. And once it is checked out, then you get to see that external parameters, internal, there are various internal components out there, like the processing system, GPU, CPU out there, cache memory, RAM, storage type out there, connectivity, battery life, battery backup out there, internal processing, spindle fibers out, spindle rotation out there, uh, rotational speed, the speed out for the RAM out there. Everything has to be checked. Internal connectivities, internal parameters has to be checked. Now, these internal parameters require a specified, we can say, gadget or specified testing tools, softwares out there. So they are used in these parameters. Once they have been tested, they are brought back to the site with a certification called refurbished or brand certified refurbished. These brand new products are only refurbished products, yes. So we can clearly say that once or always a refurbished product is once a brand new. Yes, once a brand new product can be considered as a refurbished after pre-ionization. So this is what happens out. Now talking about these tests, structure is same, design is same, everything is same out there. So what are the benefits or why it is there, why the two different categories? Talking about these categories, then refurbished products offer you a great benefits out here over brand new. Number one is the rates. Yes, pocketable rates. Usually what happens that brand new products are quite expensive out there. They are slightly expensive, we can say, once they're released. Whereas the refurbished products are less expensive, we can say, or they are quite pocketable. We can say that they are quite pocketable rates. They are not very expensive out here so that we need to spend a lot of money on them. They are slightly less expensive. Now, since their ratings differ, their pricing differ, so you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you can save a lot of money out here. So this is the another point that you get to save a great savings. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you a 1 year warranty period. Yes, you get to have a warranty period, but once a pre-owned phone is brought by us, then we usually don't get warranty period. But if you have a condition written on it that is refurbished or certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, this is what you get to have, 6 months warranty period along with 7 day exchange policy, 7 days exchange policy. That is a week exchange policy also you get to have. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. And talking about these benefits, let us see this site offers you same benefits or not. Yes, the site named justatclick.com offers you great benefits, great gadgets, a pocketable friendly rates. We can say pocket friendly rates are there. Delivery time is quite good. COD is available out here. Yes, justatclick.com offers you COD. You get to have hassle-free shopping, free shipping out there, as well as shipping timing is also great out here. It offers you 48-hour shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week, and it might differ upon the timing and the process out there. As well as this site offers you something very amazing, that it offers you customization option also. Yes, what does this customization means? That every gadget has got a different structurality, different internal components. There might be difference in the we can say RAM storage or the normal storage capacity, the Intel processing out there. So there are differences in there. So you can customize your gadget according to your requirement. All that you can do with the helpline number. And if you want to customize also, you can let us know by your order placement. So this site's link has been given in the description, so you can check it out. As well as I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.